Kindly take care of your personal belongings and wearables at all times during the flight. Please ensure that all electronic devices have been switched to flight mode and large devices are stood for takeoff. You may hold on to your handheld devices or have them secured in your seat pocket. Please note that headphones, earphones and portable charger must not be used until after takeoff when the seatbelt sign is turned off. Transmitting devices not in in-flight mode may interfere with our navigation instrument and must remain switched off throughout the flight. Kindly be informed that wearing a mask is recommended for the safety and well-being of passengers and crew. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give your attention to the crew at the front of the cabin. Today, you are traveling on an Airbus A320 and it is important that you're familiar with the safety features of the aircraft. Even you fly with Jetstar frequently, we will appreciate your attention for just a few minutes. Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is essential for takeoff, turbulence and landing. To do that, put the flaps and buckle and tighten as shown. Undo it by lifting the buckle flat. You should keep your seatbelt done up whenever you are seated, just in case we come across any unexpected turbulence. In your seat pocket, you will find a safety briefing card that shows the brace position and other important information on what you should do in the unlikely event of an emergency. Please take a moment to read it before we take off. The A320 has 8 emergency exits. Look to where the crew is pointing to find your nearest exit. A good way to remember is to count the number of seats between you and the exit. The crew will also point out lights that act like a path to the exits. If we have to evacuate, you must leave all cabin baggage behind. Remember that in an emergency, it is the crew that will most help to you, so follow their instructions. Should oxygen be required, a mask will appear from above you. If face mask is worn, remove it before putting on the oxygen mask. Pull the oxygen mask down firmly. Put it on quickly over your nose and mouth and tighten the strap. Once the mask is working properly, you can help others, including children. Your life jacket is located within easy reach under your seat. To put it on, place your life jacket over your head and clip the waistband at the front. It has 2 red tags, 2 mouthpieces for inflation, a whistle and light for attracting attention. You must only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft. To prepare for takeoff, ensure your seat back is upright, your armrest down, your tray table is stowed away and your window shade is fully open. Finally, check that your seatbelt is securely fastened, low and tight. Civil aviation law requires you to comply with all safety notices and signs on the aircraft. Tampering with or any theft of the aircraft item is an offense and may result in fines or prosecution. Smoking, including vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes in any part of the aircraft is prohibited, and smoke detectors have been fitted in all toilets. If you're not sure about anything we have told you, please check the safety card in your seat pocket. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight with us this evening. Thank you. and gentlemen, we will be dimming the lights for the takeoff. We'd like to continue reading. Your reading light switch is located in the panel above you. Thank you.
takeoff now, please ensure that your seatbelt is firmly fastened, seatbelt upright, tray tables is stowed away, and your window sheet is fully open. Kindly ensure that all your electronic devices and your mobile phone have been switched into flight mode. Thank you.